A fundamental skill inside Excel is to be able to sort data. So sorting data is one of those where you have a bunch of data and you want to sort it. So I'm going to sort the first column and I'm going to expand the selection so that it also corresponds with these over here. So what I'll do is I'll highlight what I'm looking to sort, and up here there is sort and filter in the main menu of home on the editing. So if I click on that, I can either sort it by ascending or descending or a custom sort. I'm going to sort these numbers on ascending, so lowest to highest. Now it's going to ask, do I want to expand my selection? Because it sees that there's data next to it. Do I want to sort these in order and then also put these in order relation to it? If I say no, just sort it, it's just going to sort these. So if it's date related, it's going to mess it up. But if I expand it, it's going to sort these, and 34 and 19 and this date will go with 21 where it belongs. So I expand and sort, and now we see 34, 19, and April. And that is how you sort your data.